Hi everyone. Uh, I'm Nitish. So till now we have covered P.3 radical and rational exponent. We have covered P.7 equations, and also we have covered P.9 linear inequalities and absolute value inequalities. Today we will be doing some questions related to 1.1, which is graphs and graphing utilities, which is pretty much easy, and we have been studying that since grade 8, I guess. So let's move to question number first. In question number first, we have select the answer that best complete the given statement. The first number in an order such pair as, okay, we already know this, right? So in order pair we can write anything 1 2. So in the first we always write the x coordinate. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is called x coordinates and this is y coordinate. So 1 will be here, 2 will be here. 2 belongs to the y coordinate, 1 belongs to the x coordinate. That's it. Question number 2. It's like saying us to plot 4 7. So we already know that rectangle graph coordinate, we can plot here the given number. This plane is curled. Let me draw first 1 2 3 4 5. 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. So this graph is called rectangular coordinate plane. So our question is 4 7. So always plot x first, x coordinate first, then we will jump to second y coordinate. So 4 will go here, 1 2 3 4. So our x coordinate is here 4, and then we will move to y coordinate 7. It will go 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So let it be, it will 7 will be here. So now our accurate answer will be this. This is the point called 4 7. Question number 3. Question number 3 is same. This is positive x coordinate, this is negative x coordinate, this is positive y coordinate, this is negative y coordinate. Anything like minus 7 4. So first we have x coordinate minus 7, so we will shift to our left hand side. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7, it will be here, right? And after that we have positive 4, so positive will go upward, 1 2 3 4. So our last point will be this minus 7 4. Question number 4, it's the same. In this we have positive x coordinate, then positive y coordinate. In this we have negative x coordinate, then positive y coordinate. In third quadrant we have negative x coordinate, positive x, negative x and negative y. In this fourth quadrant we have positive x, negative y. Do you know the reason why it's saying positive negative? So first we will choose x coordinate. It will go positive side, then again it will go up positive side. Then that's why we have x and y positive here. Then if we need to plot in the second quadrant, then we will first move negative x, then positive y. That's why here minus and plus sign. And if we need to plot anything related to third quadrant, then we will shift negative x, right? And after that negative y. That's why this is negative x, negative y. In this third quadrant, positive x, and then we will go to negative y. That's why positive x, negative y. This is called first quadrant, this is called second quadrant, this is third, and this is fourth quadrant. Got it? Okay. It's the same 3 minus 5. So 3 minus 5 belongs to 3 minus 5, positive x, right? And minus 5, negative y. It will belong to fourth quadrant. That's it. Now negative 7, 0. Negative x and y is 0. So it will remain in the x axis. Whenever y is 0, the point will be in the x axis. This is y axis. If x is 0, then there will be our point. This is the same minus 3 by 2 divide. If you are like confused what is 3 by 2 minus 3 with that, click on the calculator and there will give some point. What is 3 by 2? So it's minus 0.5, minus 1.5. So what do you think? Where is minus 1.5? Minus 1.5 is here, right? And then 9 by 2, it will go here. That's it. There should be some point. It's easy, and I think you already know this thing, so we need to be quick in this chapter. Till now we have plotted just one coordinate, right? Ordered pair. Now we have an equation. So how do we plot the equation? So for the equation, any given equation, we will write the equation, right? We will write the equation, then we will build a table x, then y. Now give any number related to x, anything. You can give anything. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 5, anything. It's totally on you. Then when you give this x, then plot this into the equation minus 5, then it will give the x. Like what's minus 5 squared? It's like 25 minus 5, right? So 20. So y equal to 20. Did you get it? Yeah, you have to do the same. And if you do minus 16, then it will minus 4, then it will be 16 minus 5, then 11. So here will be 11. So you have to do this thing. And after getting coordinates, like in the first we have minus 5, 20. Now then plot this thing. In the second we have this thing. So plot this, and you will at last you will get some point like this, like here, 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 and after that you just join the line. That's your equation graph. You can see here like B. It's a quadratic equation, that's why it has parabolic nature like this. That's it. Question number 9 must be the same thing, I guess. What's question number 9? Yeah, here is given the equation. Here is given the equation y equals x plus 3. And at the previous question we could plot any x, right? But here is given the axis, so x coordinate, so we cannot plot by ourselves. We need to give 3 minus 2 according to the question, right? And plot this into this, and you will get respective y values 0 1 2. If you plot this into this equation, then you will get really like this, and plot this coordinate, this coordinate, this coordinate, this coordinate, and after that you will get a line like that. That's it. We need to be quick, it's not that hard. It's nothing. We have studied this, right? It's the same thing, so I'm not gonna touch. Just plot the x, that's it. Same thing, I'm not gonna do. Yeah, now we have a absolute value, so what we need to do is like y equals minus x. Now you might be confused, like now what to do, it has given the absolute value. We already know what's our absolute value is, right? Anything you plot into the absolute value, it will give always the positive number. So even though if you plot minus 3 into the absolute value, it will always give 3. So now minus, and it will come 3, so minus 3. Even though if you put 3, it will come 3. If you plot minus 3, it will come 3. Got it? That's it. There is nothing anything difference in absolute value. The only thing is like any number that will come out of the absolute value will be positive. That's it. And all other thing is same. 13 is the same thing. Plot x, and always this will come always positive, and then whenever you get that number, positive number, subtract 1 from that, and you will get the y. Find 7 ordered pair. So you need to find 7 ordered pair. Then you need to put 7 different number, 7 different x coordinate number. Then after that, if you plot that 7 different, then you will get some y values, and then plot into the equation, and you will get a parabola because it's a quadratic equation. Okay, 15. Same. Now, yeah, now we have to look little bit only. So now we have like now use the graph to the right to complete the flowing. For okay, we have given a graph this, and from this graph we need to know where is x-intercept and where is y-intercept. So what is x-intercept? X-intercept, y-intercept. So x-intercept means any ordered pair whose y is 0, right? And y-intercept is whose x is 0. So from the graph you can see it's like this, right? You can see it touches here, so here y is 0 and here x is 0, so these two are our intercept. So this is called x-intercept, this is called y-intercept. So our x-intercept is minus, what is this, oh sorry, 1, yeah, 1, and our y-intercept is, you can see in the y-axis, look at the y-axis here, this is y-axis, look at the y-axis at the 5, you can see it touches the y-axis, crosses that, and there we have 0 x coordinate, so this is the y coordinate, y-intercept. That's it. Now question number 18 is the same. The only difference is like in the previous there were only one touching point in each axis, but here you can see it's a curvy line and there might be one or two intercept. So by seeing this, one intercept is here, one intercept is here, one intercept is here, right? So we have two x-intercept and we have only one y-intercept. So our x-intercept is, you can see at the 2, look at the x-axis, we have 2 and at -1. So x-intercept is -1 and 2. X-intercept is -1 and 2. And we have only one y-intercept, so y-intercept is 4. That's it. Use the graph and determine x-intercept if any. B, determine the y-intercept. So our graph looks like this. So we only have x-intercept here because this is the only point where y is 0, and we don't have any point where x is 0. X is only 0 in this y-axis. So we no y-axis, but we have only one x-intercept. We have no y-intercept, we have only one x-intercept. So our x-intercept is -2. Yep. X-intercept -2, and there are no y-intercept. That's it. Question number 19. Question number 19 is choose the equation that correspond to the sentence above. So we have given the equation and oh sorry, we have not given the equation. We need to find what is the equation. So the question is the y value is 1 more than twice the x-axis. We need to make our equation by looking at the given question. There is written a sentence, and from that sentence we need to make our equation. So what's given? The y-axis is, so write down y, and is means equal. Y equal 1 more than twice the x-axis. One more means plus 1, right? Then twice the x value. Twice means multiply. 2x, twice the x value, and 1 more than twice the x value. So equation is this: 1 more than twice the value of x. So our equation is y equal to 2x plus 1. Now we have already done how to plot this graph, linear graph, so I'm not gonna teach you anything related to that. Question number 20 is the same thing. Graph the equation. Put x equal to given number, and we have y equal to, oh sorry, so don't be confused, we have only y equal to -7. So we don't have any x values, right? So whatever we put x here will be always 0. So it doesn't matter to plot this thing. So we have given y equal to -7 means this is y intercept. So here our line will be 2 3 4 5 like this, and y equals -7. So -7 will come down here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 will be here, and any value if you plot -3x, then if you plot -2, all the values will be, all its values of y coordinate will be -7. So at last this will be our answer, y equal to -7. If there is like x equal to 2, what would you do? If there is like x equal to 2, then this is the line, x equal to 2, this is the graph. If it's given x equal to minus 2, then this is the graph. If it's given y equal to 2, then this is the graph. That's it. Okay, now let's move to question number 21, which is our last question. Determine whether the statement is true or false. If the statement is false, make the necessary change to produce a true statement. The ordered pair -1 2 satisfies the equation this. Okay, so we are given a equation and it's saying to test that whether -1 and 2 is its coordinate. So let's plot that. -1 8 2 equals 10. We don't know is that equal or not, so don't give equal sign now. -5 8 to the 16, so minus it is not equal, we can see by our instinct, right? -5, so here it comes 21, which is not equal, so this is false statement. And other question was make the necessary change to produce. Okay, if we plot -1 2 into this equation, our answer is -2 1, so this should be the last equation, which is right. Yep, done. Okay guys, we completed graph and graphic inequalities really quick, right? And I'll add the textbook but not the PDF. I'll screen record that textbook, and if you want to read, go through that, you can. Okay, see you.